In this video, I will be showing you how to create a professional invoice template in Canva using a pre-made design. Let's get started. I'll begin on the templates page and type invoice template into the search bar to see the available options. I'll scroll through the results to find a layout that fits my brand's style. I really like this beige, simple, and modern design, so I'll click on it to see the preview. Everything looks good, so I'll click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the editor loads, I'll start by updating the brand colors. I'm selecting the main accent shape and delete it. Now I'll update the business information by selecting the company name and changing it to Lumina Studio. Next, I'll move over to the invoice details and update the date to April 25th, 2023. Now it's time to adjust the service prices. I'll click into the price column and update the logo design to $500, the web design to $400, and the illustration design to $350. I need to make sure the math is correct, so I'll update the subtotal to $1,250. I'll also adjust the shipping and then update the final total to $1,280 to match my new prices. Down at the bottom, I'll personalize the payment instructions by changing the account name to Clara David. To tie the whole look together, I'll select the invoice header and change its text color to black. I'll also use the Change All option at the bottom of the color panel to quickly update any remaining elements. Lastly, I'll change the year to 2026. And just like that, we have a professional custom invoice ready to send to clients. Thanks for watching.